This Banky mail, and this is Banky update airdrop. Right now, guys, I just want to share you this again about this platform called Globalcoud. I will make this video very fast because I just want to make a withdrawal from this platform. Only withdrawal. But before I do that, let me show you their computing their cloud computing power. So this is their cloud computing. This is their price. $80 will be making you $44 every day for 100 days. You can check everything. $15 will be making you $1.5 every day for 20 days. You can check everything here. So right now, the next thing you can quickly still check again after you purchase your miner is to click on my miner. When you can purchase your miner, this is where you will be collecting your daily income daily. You have to come back and click on get here. You will see a get button here. Just click on get and to restart your mining daily from here. As you can see, I just restart this one because I just get my today's income there. So don't miss that every day. Make sure you do that. So on my account here, though this is team balance, while this one is my main balance. So in 2 days right now, I have made $3 here on this one. I've made $3 here in 2 days. So if I refresh this page here, let me see, maybe it will show up here. So it's not showing. Let me try and show it to you under this on divine here. I want to show you the $3. I want to make sure I show it to you. As you can see, let me refresh again. Just be looking at this on divine. So it will show the $3 as you can see. So I have $3 there already. I don't know why they are this thing. As you can see, it has shown here. It shows here right now. Let me go back again and show it to you. It will show available balance. As you can see, available TV USDT before it disappears. So it's either you withdraw it or you can just leave it. But right now I want to make a withdrawal. So let me first withdraw from this balance here. I have 8 here which I can withdraw from this balance, but the minimum you can withdraw from this team income is $10. As you can see here, I don't have up to that. I only have 8.2. So I need to withdraw from my main balance, which is $3. I am going to receive $2 instead because of the transaction fee the blockchain will take from me. So right now, let me go to my Trust wallet and copy my wallet address here and make the withdrawal. I'm going to show you everything. So this is not it. So this is the wallet I want to withdraw to this time. So click on receive, click on copy. So as you can see, I've clicked on receive or copy. So I will go back to the site and paste it there. As you can see, I have $96 there in my wallet. So if I made this withdrawal of $3 and I'm going to receive $2, it's going to be 98. Is $98 there. So now make the withdrawal, then input your withdrawal password and click on confirm. So I have made the withdrawal right now. I have made the withdrawal. Let me show you withdrawal record. So I've made the withdrawal. So as you can see, Trust Wallet has already given me notification that money has come into my account. You can see the Trust Wallet notification. So let me refresh this page to see the withdrawal record. Trying to check to see the withdrawal record. Nearly 30 days. Let me see for today. It's not showing here yet, but the Trust Wallet has give me notification that I have received a money. So let me go to my Trust Wallet back and check it. So as you can see that the money has added up to the money I have here on my Trust Wallet. Is it? You can see that I now have $98 there. So you can see it. This is it, 2 USDT. 2 USDT. That is it. You can check the time. You can also check the time up here. You can see that I just received it now. You can check the wallet address, so you can see it that I just received another uh, payment from the Globalcoud. Let me make this screenshot to share it. So that is it. So guys, if you are still interested with Globalcoud, you can join them. They are still available. You can still make money on Globalcoud. What you need to do is to just check on their cloud computing. Look at their, this is their price here. You can check their price to rent their miner. This is it. You can check their price. And this one, net revenue slash day, is the daily income. You can see it here. Those are the daily income, and the days it will run for you. It can make money for you for 100 days. This one for 200 days, like that. Why this one, oh, 1 days only? This one is just a free miner. This one will make money for you 20 days. This one 45 days, 70 days, 200 days, 150 days, 200 days, like that. So after you check the one you are capable of, you can come back here and click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, it will take you to a page where you are going to see the wallet address you are going to send the money to. Send any amount you want to use to deposit, to invest. Copy the wallet address, send the money into it. Make sure it's USDT TRC20. So after that, you come back to your home page here and click on the plans you want to buy. Click on it and click on confirm purchase. So after you click on confirm purchase, the next thing is to click on my miner. So you will see your miner here on your miner. Your own is to activate it. Just click on start to get it started. So every day you will click on your miner and be claiming your daily income. That is it. Nothing more than that. The minimum withdrawal is $3. $3. That is the minimum withdrawal. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like this video and share to your loved ones. Goodbye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.